This desktop is clearly designed for people who want flagship-level performance without spending hours picking parts and assembling everything, and from the first look it already feels like a high-end system. The tempered glass panel shows off a clean internal layout with balanced RGB lighting that adds personality without going overboard. It looks modern, sharp, and fits perfectly into both minimal and fully customized setups. The real story starts with what is inside. The Intel Core i7-14700KF brings a hybrid architecture that blends raw power with efficiency, so whether you are gaming, streaming, editing, or juggling multiple heavy apps at once, the experience stays smooth and responsive. There is enough headroom here to push demanding workloads without slowdown, which makes it more than just a gaming machine. Graphics performance is handled by the RTX 4080, and this is where things step into enthusiast territory. This GPU is capable of driving ultra settings in modern games with very high frame rates, and it is also built for 4K gaming, delivering detailed visuals and smooth motion. Even in demanding titles, ray tracing enhances lighting, shadows, and reflections, while DLSS helps maintain performance so you get the best mix of realism and speed. Memory and storage are equally impressive. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, you get fast responsiveness and plenty of room for multitasking. It is ideal for users who like to keep multiple programs running while gaming or working. And the 2 TB NVMe SSD ensures that everything loads quickly, from the operating system to large game files. You will notice faster boot times, quicker installs, and almost instant game launches. Cooling plays a big role in a system like this, and the airflow design does a solid job of keeping temperatures under control. Even during extended sessions, the fans are audible under heavy load, but not distracting, which is exactly what you want in a performance-focused build. Another thing that stands out is how convenient it is to start using this PC. It comes ready with Windows 11 Home and built-in Wi-Fi support, so the setup process is simple and quick. You can go from unboxing to gaming in a very short time without dealing with complex installation steps. In actual use, this system performs exactly how you would expect from high-end hardware. Competitive games run incredibly smooth, giving you an advantage with higher frame rates and responsiveness, while story-driven titles look visually stunning with stable performance across the board. It is also fully capable for VR, delivering fluid and immersive experiences without stutter or lag. This type of PC is ideal for gamers who want premium performance, creators who need strong processing power, and anyone planning to invest in a system that will remain relevant for years. It is not positioned as a budget option, but the level of performance, convenience, and reliability makes it a strong value for those who want a no-compromise experience. If you are planning to upgrade your setup or move into high-end PC gaming, this is definitely worth checking out. You can find more details through the link in the description.